In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a picture to a PDF on Google Drive. Let's get started in a web browser. Head to Google and look toward the top right of the page for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that and choose Drive to open your Google Drive. You'll need to be signed in to your Google account. Once Drive loads, locate the picture you want to convert. This can be a common image format like JPG or PNG that's already stored in your drive. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of Drive to find it by name. Click once to select the picture. With it highlighted, look for the 3 vertical dots, which indicate More Actions. Click those dots to open the Options menu. From there, choose Open With. In the submenu that appears, select Google Docs. Drive will create a new Google Docs file and place your image inside it on a blank page. This is the key step that lets you export the picture as a PDF using Google's built-in tools. Once the Google Docs tab opens with your image embedded, move to the top left and click File. In the File menu, find Download. Hover over or click Download to reveal the available formats. Then choose PDF document. Your browser will start downloading the PDF immediately. By default, it saves to your usual downloads location with a name based on the original file. You can rename it in your file manager if needed, or move it to a specific folder for sharing or storage. A few quick tips to get the best results. The PDF's clarity depends on the original image quality, so higher resolution pictures will look sharper. If you need to fine-tune how the picture fits on the page before you download, you can adjust layout settings in Google Docs. For example, you can change page orientation or margins to better center the image or give it more white space. These options are available within the document menu, and making small adjustments there can help the PDF look more professional. That's all there is to it. You opened your image from Drive with Google Docs and then downloaded it as a PDF with just a couple of clicks. It's fast, it's free, and it works right in your browser without any extra software. If you keep your files organized in Drive, this method is a reliable way to turn any stored picture into a clean, portable PDF you can email, print, or archive.